Hello, I'm waiting for a participant to come for Karnataka Bank Limited interview. Yeah, if he comes, then he will also be joining me. Yeah, um, this is a candidate from, I think he's from Karnataka. Mm, yeah, he is joining us, and yeah, he's joining us. Yeah, Vagish is joining. Good. Vagish, good morning, Vagish. Vagish, Vagesh is connecting to audio and can't hear you yet. Yeah. Please connect to audio. Vagesh, your audio should be on.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Uh, Good morning, Vagesh.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yeah. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yeah,
Are you able to hear me?
sir. Actually, the voice is a little bit breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah. Little bit.
Uh, I think, are you sitting inside the house or outside?
Outside, sir. Outside the house.
Outside. Do you have good signals?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Achha, don't you
I
have
have
broadband with you? No.
no, sir. Only this mobile internet is
Okay, no issue. Is this Geo or Airtel?
there. Geo, sir. Geo.
Geo, no problem.
Yeah.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Sure.
Vagish, you are
Yes,
from
sir.
which state?
Sir, I'm from Karnataka. My place is Dharwad.
Dharwad. Good,
It is known as twin city as Hubli and Dharwad.
very good. Dharwad. Now, can you please tell about yourself? Imagining you are
Yes,
sitting
sir.
before an interview panel. Acha, in the
Yes, sir.
meantime, before that, have you
Yeah.
had have you attended any other training program? I mean, interview programs earlier?
No, sir. No.
Interviews,
No,
real interviews, have you attended?
real interviews. I work for one company there. I have attended the interview.
Achha, very good.
The purpose
Now,
of job.
now come.
Yeah.
Please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Sure. My name is Vagish Wadavi. I am from Dharwad. I have done my Bachelor of Commerce in Karnataka University, and I have post graduated in Acharya College for MBA Marketing.
Yeah,
And my hobbies are playing sitar and singing and playing cricket. And I worked for a company called Wells Fargo for 6 months.
Achha, what is the company? What is the name of the company?
Wells Fargo, sir. Wells Fargo.
What they do?
So it is a mortgage and it is a banking. Actually, it is a US bank, one of the biggest bank in the US.
Mhm.
I used to work there as a financial assistant,
Mm. Good.
as
Well,
a specialist of a documents. Yes, sir. Pardon.
yeah. Now, how many months did you work?
I worked 6 months there, sir.
Okay. Um, when did you resign from that job?
November 9th. I just
2019 November.
2000,
Excellent.
2019 November 9th, sir.
Okay. Now, you
It
said you did MBA in marketing.
yeah, sir. Yes.
After doing what? After doing what did you complete your MBA?
Pardon, sir, please. I can't.
Initial degree was what? BCom or B?
Uh, Bachelor of Commerce in Dharwad, Karnataka Institute only, sir.
Very good. Bachelor of Commerce. Good. Excellent. Now, have you? You said you have not attended any bank interviews and all, but you have
No,
worked
sir.
for a US bank, correct?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Why did you leave that? The salary would have been. Was it not good, or you were?
Uh,
Yeah.
salary was not up to the mark, sir. We can say not that the one MBA can afford for that salary, sir. And
They paid you. They
the
paid
main
you
thing,
around 15K, 20K,
yes, 12 to 15K it was.
12 to 15K
It was,
only they paid. Very good. It's
yes,
good
sir,
that
yes.
you resigned. Yeah, it's okay. Now,
And
what was the?
uh, and the main thing was it was a contractual job, sir.
Oh,
Contractual job.
and that too night shifts.
So yeah, yes, sir. That too night shift. I used to work 9 to 11, sir, in the night shift.
Okay. Now, that means you must be very good in communication in English.
Yeah, sir. Not much, but
No,
I,
but you would have been talking to only American customers, no?
yeah, sir. Some calls will be
Yeah,
there in the
very
night
good,
shifts only, sir.
very good, very good. And that too, you are a BCom MBA.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. What is your father, Vagish?
My father is a retired employee of a national insurance company, sir.
Insurance company. Good, good, good.
National insurance company.
National insurance.
And
Very good,
yeah, I
very good.
have one brother. He's an high court advocate.
He is a,
High court advocate, sir. High court
oh,
advocate.
good. He's an advocate. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent,
And my
excellent.
mother is a homemaker.
Very
This
good,
is a
very good, very good. You have the experience of having worked in a company for 6 months,
yeah,
and
sir.
you know what is banking and all. And
Yes, sir.
now tell me why you think you are more suitable for Karnataka Bank PO job.
Um, I feel that Karnataka Bank is a very trusted bank among the people. Uh, it has built a very great goodwill for that bank, and it has a really nice this deposits and the ratio of deposits and liabilities, and it is very worthy, sir, for the people. And interest rates also, it is very advisable and convincing
Hmm.
type, sir. And they introduce new schemes like, for example, it is a COVID-19 pandemic. Is there they introduced a new scheme of insurance, COVID insurance, around for 399 for 4 months, like these packages and all.
Hmm. But I think you have not understood my question, Vagish. I was
Yes,
asking why
huh.
you think are suitable for Karnataka Bank PO job. What makes you
Yes,
think you are suitable for that job?
definitely, sir. Because I have leadership qualities. Like I used to handle 3 to 4 candidates in my company,
Yeah,
and I think I have a good communication skills also. And
okay.
I'm a people's person, so I can handle the people also. By the way, the our staffs also, sir.
You said people's person. Can you elaborate on
Yeah,
that?
yeah, sir, definitely, sir. If any new scheme is introduced in a bank, I could convince the people very nicely, and the which the way they can afford for it.
Yeah. Okay. Now, will you be having some problem in being you're posted outside Karnataka state?
No, sir, nothing, sir.
No
No
problem.
problem. Yeah, sir. I would enjoy actually for seeing many places and all.
So you feel like seeing going to different places. Good.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
What is the difference between a nationalized bank and a
Yeah.
private bank?
Actually, sir, nationalized bank means the holdings of the government will be there in the nationalized bank, and the private banks will be owned by some private individuals or groups or companies like that, sir. This is the main difference.
No, but you have not mentioned the percentage of capital minimum that
Yes,
should be there.
yes. Minimum capital percentage is 51% of the nationalized banks.
Yeah, good. You have told the point. Very good, very good. Can you name a few nationalized banks?
Yes, sir. It is SBI, State Bank of India, and Punjab National Banks, and Canara Bank, and Oriental Insurance Bank.
Is it there now? Oriental Bank of
No, sir.
Commerce. Is it there now?
No, sir. No, sir. Oriental Bank is not there now, presently.
It has been merged with which bank?
Oriental Bank, I think it is merged with PNB, sir.
Correct. Good. Tell me the name of other banks.
Central Bank of India, sir.
Correct.
And Canada Bank and Vijaya Bank.
Vijaya Bank is not there. It has been merged with Bank of Baroda.
Yeah, Bank of Baroda. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bank
Yeah.
of Baroda. Vijaya.
Tell me names of other nationalized banks. Are you not aware of Indian Bank?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Indian Bank is there.
Where is Indian Bank headquarters?
Indian Bank headquarters.
You don't know?
Sir, I'm not getting. No, sir.
Indian Bank headquarters is in Chennai.
Okay, okay, sir.
Indian Overseas Bank.
Sir. Indian
that
Overseas
is also
Bank.
Headquarters in Chennai.
Chennai. Okay.
Apart from that, you have UCO Bank in which place? Headquarters.
UCO Bank, I think it is in Kolkata or something.
Correct. Good. Kolkata. Yes. Super. You told nicely. What is the percentage of marks scored by you in BCom?
It is 78, sir. 78.06.
Very good. What is the percentage of marks scored by you in your MBA?
It is 64.4, sir.
Why did the percentage come down?
Because of in first and second semester, I used to chill like anything in the MBA. I thought MBA is something which I can do very easily. But after exams, I came to know that it is not like that. You should work hard and all. Sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me why banks take deposits?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why banks take deposits from people?
Yeah, sir. Because the main purpose is for they borrow the deposits because for lending purpose, sir. It is the main thing, and to run day-to-day business of the bank, that is also one of the purpose. And they actually the deposits for investing somewhere in the different fields, they use deposits. So.
Good. Banks accept deposits because they need money for lending to others.
Yeah.
So what are the resources a bank has got to make lending? Excuse me?
Sir, I didn't get that question, sir.
What are the resources a bank has got to make lending?
Loans, sir.
Yeah. For giving loans, what are the resources? कहाँ से पैसा आता है?
For lending, it may be from the RBI, it may be from the deposits, like fixed deposits and recurring deposits. These are this is the source, sir. First,
actually, you should tell. Being a commerce student, you must be able to tell. Besides the capital and reserves, it is also the deposit amount and other borrowings.
Sir. Yeah, sure.
You should tell it properly like that. Can you please repeat? What are the sources of a bank lending?
Sir. It is mainly of capital reserves and other deposits in the bank, sir.
Yeah, bank's capital also plus reserves,
capital reserves,
and also say this deposits from the public and other loans which bank would have taken also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Good.
Sure.
Very good. What is the difference between mobile banking and internet banking?
Yes, sir. Internet banking is some mobile banking is of mainly the first. It is from the app introduced by the bank or something institution, and internet banking is directly through the internet or via phone call. Like
no,
this.
No. Now tell me, internet banking, mobile banking.
Yeah.
What is the difference between these two? Now, for doing mobile banking, is it
Huh.
necessary that internet should be there?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, it is necessary.
Internet should be there through the through the mobile provider, service provider.
Yeah, service provider, sir.
Yeah. Then
Yes, sir.
what
Yes.
is the difference? Actually, do you have a mobile banking account with you, or your parents have it?
Yeah, sir. I have mobile banking.
You have mobile banking, then you must be able to tell me how will you operate a mobile banking account? Tell me, I am a layman,
Mobile
I don't
bank,
know.
sir. Actually, the mobile banking account is used. We can see the what are the deposits, what are the credited amount, and what are the debited amount there, and we can transact the wholly thing in mobile banking. The internet banking is something which where we can only which where transfer the money for use. It is useful to transfer the money.
Actually, in my view, both are same. Internet banking also you can do the same thing. Mobile banking also you can do the same thing. But probably in mobile banking, it may not be suitable for a limited company which has large number of transactions, whereas internet banking will be suitable for them. Understand? And in both cases, they are being provided with user ID, password, then
Sir.
transaction ID. You can tell about these things: transaction
Yeah,
ID
sir.
and password. What is the
Password
advantage of
and
having mobile banking?
mobile banking. Uh, we know we do not need any physical existence in the bank. That is the main thing. We can wherever we can transact anything, any amount,
Good,
anytime.
very good. By sitting at home, we can open a
Yeah, sir.
deposit.
We
By
can.
sitting at home,
Sir.
we can close a deposit, electronic deposit.
Yeah, electronic.
Good,
Yes, sir.
very nice. You have told this is
Very nice.
only
Yes, sir.
a preliminary interview. I don't know how many minutes we talked. You talked
Yeah,
nicely.
sir. Sure.
Now, let me
Sure.
ask you
Yes.
some general questions. You said you are from
Yes.
Dharwar.
Yeah, sir.
Who is the MP from Dharwar?
Bellet, sir. Bellet.
He is
Arvind
from
Bellet.
which party?
He's from BJP, sir.
Okay. Who is the MLA from
Yeah,
your
sir.
place?
Sir, actually, the MLA is um, uh, actually the MLA is Arvind Bellan, and the MP is Prahlad Joshi, sir.
Okay. Both of them are BJP?
Yeah, both of them are BJP, sir.
Good. Can you tell me, uh,
Yeah, sir.
you have to tell some very sweet things about Dharwar. You have to
Yeah, sir.
tempt me that I
The
should visit Dharwar. Please tell me.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, it is known as a cultural capital of India, Dharwad,
Acha.
and it is surrounded by 7 hills and 9 lakes, and it is also known for the place of rest, retired only for retired people. This Dharwad, and
Acha.
also education city.
Educational colleges are there more.
Yeah, many colleges are there, sir. It is having two universities and one high court and one IIT.
Acha. Dharwar, you have 80.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Near my home, it is my home from 8 kilometers far from home, sir.
Acha. I don't know. Dharwar
Yes, sir.
also you have IIT. Excellent. Good.
Yes, and the one thing, the very sweetest thing is it is famous for Dharwad Peda.
It is famous for?
Dharwad Peda. Peda, sir.
Oh,
It is the one
peda,
sweet.
peda. Yeah, yeah. That's good.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Then, yeah, yeah. What are the businesses that are done in Dharwar?
Business is, sir, uh, business is of it is famous for as a education city, and we have a lot of education institutions and training institutions for IAS, KS, and classic coaching centers, and all
Really?
these things are there, sir.
Acha.
Yeah, sir. It is very uh,
Famous for
from
teaching.
all the yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. It is famous for teaching, and from all over the Karnataka, the people come for taking a teaching and taking the classes or training for IAS and KS, sir. Here.
Oh, Here I find education hub, cultural hub, major
Yes, sir.
industries they have given. What are the industries?
Industries, sir. One is Tata Marco Polo is there, sir, here.
Okay.
And in Dharwad and Hubli region, there is a Infosys, a big HR office of Infosys.
Hmm. No. I'm
And
just helping
and
you. I'm just
and
helping you.
Belur Industries. Belur
Yeah.
Industries is there.
Yeah. I'm just telling you from our Wikipedia.
Yeah,
Hubali
yeah,
Dharwad is a developing industrial hub in Karnataka after
yeah.
Bangalore, with more
Yes, sir.
than 1,000 allied and small and medium industries
Yes,
established in Gokul Road and Tarihal regions of Hubli. There
yes,
are
sir. Yeah,
machine tools industries, electrical, steel furniture, food products, rubber and leather industries, and tanning
yeah, sir.
industries.
Yeah, yeah.
To promote overall economic development, the Karnataka Chamber of Commerce Industry was formed. It is one of the premier institutions. I suggest you go through this Wikipedia and get to know
Sure,
something more
sure, sir.
also. Good.
Sure,
Otherwise,
sir.
you
Sure.
are able to tell all the points very nicely. I have no
Yes, sir.
complaint about it. Now, can you tell
Okay.
me any doubts
Yeah.
you have?
Sir, if they ask about the previous company, why you left the previous company,
Yeah.
exact what is the
The reason is
uh,
you told
what should
very
I
well.
tell?
You told
Yeah,
correctly that was a contractual job.
yeah,
Further, the pay was very less and
yes,
it was a night shift. And
yes,
yeah, these are the reasons. If they had given you 1 lakh rupees, you would have continued there.
definitely, sir.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, sir, definitely, sir.
Yeah. So the reason is number one, salary was less and night shift,
Yes, sir.
and it was a
Yes, sir.
temporary job.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sure.
I am purposely
This is right.
stopping today with this so that we
Yeah,
can
sir. Yeah.
talk further again in the next few
Sure, sir.
occasions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
now
sir.
based on this, any other doubt you are getting in your mind?
Nothing, sir. Nothing. Actually, thanks for giving me opportunity for this mock
Yeah, when
interview.
did you come to know of this channel?
Before 15 days, sir. 15 days
What?
before I get to know this about this
Pardon,
channel.
when did you come to know of this?
I actually subscribed for this channel before 2 months or 3 months before only, sir.
Okay. Have you been following the videos?
Yeah, sir. Sure. I am following, sir.
Acha,
Daily
good.
I'm listening, sir.
Why did you hesitate to come and talk? You're a male member,
Yeah,
marketing
sir.
member. You must
Yeah, sir.
have confidence to speak to people.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
Yeah, next time you come, you should come with your live video rather than
Yeah, sir.
like
Sure.
this.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
You
Definitely,
must
sir.
be able to face to face.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No problem.
Sure.
I'm not
Yes, sir.
forcing it now. Any other
No, sir.
questions
No,
you
sir.
have?
It's not, sir.
Any other
No, sir.
questions?
No, sir.
No, no,
Nothing is there,
no
sir.
other questions?
No, sir. No.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much. And why don't
Thank
you
you, sir.
attend
Thank you.
our morning classes?
Yeah, sir. Sure. Sure. I will attend, sir.
11 to 12, if you come, you have lot of Karnataka people, Bihar people and all. Today we'll be
Yeah, sir.
discussing about English. And of course, unless you have got some other work online, you can
Sir.
join this whenever you can.
Okay, sir. Sure,
The
sir. Definitely.
mornings we discuss 2 days max, 2 days reasoning, 2 days English. Then in the
Sir.
evenings, 1 day max, 1 day English, 1 day reasoning. Other days
Yeah,
we
sir.
discuss current affairs. You must participate so that you develop your communication ability.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
See,
Definitely, sir. I
yeah,
will be
you
there.
have worked in a US company, you have a
Yeah, sir.
good communication skill, but still you must be, for example, that what is
Yeah.
that question? That mobile banking and that maybe you could have told something more.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
You try to frame get questions and frame answers for them.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
I will
And
try.
when I asked you about why you are suitable for this post, you
Hmm.
started telling me good points about Karnataka Bank and not
Yeah,
about
sir.
your own strengths.
Yeah, sir. Sure. I
Could you
thought
follow?
I thought it. Yeah, sir. I thought it was for Karnataka Bank, and
No,
afterwards
no,
I
no,
came to
no.
know that.
Karnataka Bank is always a good bank. No, everybody knows. A Reserve
Yeah,
Bank
sir.
is a good bank. But why you are
Yeah, yeah,
suitable
sure.
for that? That was the
Yeah,
question.
yeah, yeah.
Anyhow,
Sure, sir.
you answered very well. Best wishes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Be
Thank you
following
very
our
much.
channel. Maybe once
Yes,
in
sure.
a week, if you feel like talking, we can communicate with each other. Okay?